Welcome to Module 2. Before we get to the slides themselves, we need a deep research report, a structured dossier we can mine for the strongest facts, quotes and visuals later. We'll build it inside ChatGPT so nothing gets lost in copy-paste limbo. So the key idea is to prompt it like a project brief, not a question. We'll define the role, scope, format, depth and source rules up front. Think of it as handing your digital intern a written standard operating procedure for this task. Here's our seed prompt. You are a senior tourism analyst. Create a research report on the Isle of Man visitor economy from 2019 to 2024. Use headings, bullet lists and inline citations with URLs. Sections for current demand metrics, strengths and weaknesses, competitor snapshot of 10 jurisdictions, emerging trends. Add a source quality rating after each citation. Note the specificity, the role, structure, citation rule, and quality check. When the draft lands, don't accept it blindly. You can interrogate each section. Some example follow-up questions might be: expand the competitor snapshot to show average length of stay and tourism GDP share. Or, for any metric marked estimated, supply the original dataset link. This iterative grilling forces precision. Next, stress test the numbers. Ask, give me an alternative data source that either corroborates or contradicts visitor spend figures. Place the stats side by side. Transparency can impress your interview panel. As you refine, make a note of the keeper nuggets in your notebook. Later, a simple check will surface all those slide-worthy facts in seconds. Finally, make sure you save the whole conversation as a file. Most chat user interfaces have an export button, but if not, you can copy all the messages, paste them into a doc, and store it with a date stamp. This will become your audit trail and a reusable library for other decks. So to recap, prompt as a standard operating procedure for research. Iterate with surgical follow-up questions. Stress test it for conflicting data. Make sure you keep a note of any of those gold standard insights. And of course, export that thread for safekeeping. With a deep, cited research report locked in, Module 3 will show you how to distill it into a tight SWOT inside that same chat. See you there.